Right, here's what's going on. Yeah, back to the Pitbike, but yeah, thought like maybe I might put this on there. Reckon it'll look pretty cool. Yeah, it's got an adapter and all that. Just have to get some springs sorted and no, but I reckon that'll look pretty cool. SC Project, MotoGP exhaust. Why not? I went with this one because of the size of it. Nice and small. Big bore. Cool. There you go. Went on no problems. Neat little gimmicky thing, eh? I haven't noticed any horsepower increase or anything like that, but definitely sounds better. It definitely looks better. Pretty happy with that.